Hello, my name is Elys Dolan and I'm the author and illustrator of this book here, Rex, Dinosaur in Disguise. Now, I am so excited that Peters have chosen Rex to be their November book club pick. So, to whet your appetite a little bit, I want to tell you a bit about what Rex is all about. So, the star of this story is this guy here. This is Rex and he is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Now, he finds himself in the modern world surrounded by humans like you and me after a pesky little run-in with an ice age that he has. But when Rex gets here, he finds out that the human world might not be the friendliest place for a dinosaur. He could easily end up in a museum or even a zoo. Now, lucky for Rex, he isn't the only unusual creature trying to get by in the city. He runs into Bigfoot, who, with the help of his very good friends, Nessie and Dodo, they show Rex how to get by in the human world without being noticed, how to be a dinosaur in disguise. Now, that doesn't mean that there's no challenges in Rex's new life. He has to figure out exactly how money works. He has to escape the notice of his very curious downstairs neighbour, 9-year-old Sandra Sherman. And perhaps Rex's biggest challenge, he has to figure out how on earth to get a job. So, I hope you enjoy reading Rex, Dinosaur in Disguise. I am so proud of this book. You can tell because I have covered my bookshelves with copies of it. So, happy reading, and I hope you have as much fun reading this book as I had making it. Right, bye-bye. Bye-bye.